What's going on, guys? Day one here, 6 a.m. Up on the deck. We're just tossing the 146 off. Then we're going to the airport, drop Chloe off. Then we're going out for day one. And of course, now that Chloe's leaving, it's only -8 today instead of -20 or -30. Bye, Chloe. Love you. Alright, finally headed up the mountain here for day one. We're riding with Landon and his crew. Haigan, Cody, Landon's dad. I haven't met everybody yet, but the sled in front of me is actually a 165 Polaris boost. So maybe have a little look at that thing today. Dipping our toes off the trail here. We'll see if we can get stuck in the first 5 minutes. Or hit a tree. Alright, we did good. We didn't hit anything. Alright, got a fresh GoPro battery in here. This glove box is nice for keeping the batteries warm. To make this dash piece work with this glove box, I just basically cut it straight across here, just past where the bolt holes are here, probably like 1.5 inches straight across, and kind of worked. Let's do some riding. Dropping down now. It's weird because I don't know really where I'm going. I haven't even looked at the map today. I'm just a blind mouse. Oh. We're following Cody's line here through the trees. Oh, that does not look like the best line. Should have just pinned it. I'm out of breath and we didn't even do anything.
Oh, I know, right?
Oh, come on. You can, yeah, come on. Just a small little cliff. Could probably be pretty nice. I'm trying to like pivot it on the back bumper today, but it's not really working that well for me. It's nice that the GoPro's actually lasting longer than 5 minutes today. Not a bad day. That was a bad stump. That was a bad stump. Look at my track. I think you hit one right. Oh, I see it polished off right in the trees there. Yeah, I let off. I figured it was a stump. No kidding. much energy. Can you just relax?
What?
Just relax.
No.
That's Landon on the 146. Now he's going to show us what he's got on his turbo. $146 turbo, 154.
That's tough.
That's tough, yeah.
That's really tough. Turbo makes my hands better.
It's enough filming. We'll go chase around Landon and Cody here. Got my pocket done up, don't want my phone to fall out. Had that before. Tired yet? Yeah, I figured as much.
Oh, my goggles are getting foggy.
I'm still missing that one bolt in my handlebars. I thought it would hold, but it's not holding very well. We got a boost in the trees over here. We'll go have a look, see what's going on. Well, that's tricky.
Yeah.
At least it stopped.
We can tip her a bit, Landon. I just came over to help her out, but I don't see how bad it is.
Huh? I don't think the Skidoo would have fit through that hole.
Show us how it's done, Matt.
What's that?
You want to show us how it's done?
You're gonna show us?
Oh you're gonna show us.
Where are we going? I used up all the skill the first run.
Not where I was supposed to go.
Between a tree and a hole.
It's a little more squirrely than you want. Keep the low mark, are ya? Is that? You're not gonna let me have the low mark for the day, are you?
See what you got.
Let me get my. It's not my snowmobile, so who cares, right?
That's right. He found the hole.
Whoops.
I heard a term from Jeff here riding the Polaris Boost. He's like, don't go beating my low mark. I said dropping down in the trees, going lower than him. I don't think I've ever heard that term before, but I like it. Man, I never got my GoPro on for the good pulls. Blasted up through the trees, up to this little meadow. And don't even really know how I made it up that straight wall right there. Oh, look at that. We got the sun poking out.
We can stay riding until midnight.
How cold? Got Cody here, gonna dig a pit. He's got his ops level 1.
Ops level 1.
How cold? Minus 16. No, minus 12.
I'm gonna say minus 13. Much warmer.
Much warmer?
9.5 right now.
Oh, that's it? Minus 9.5.
This is an extended column test that we're gonna do on this wall. Over here, I'm just showing these guys how to identify the different layers. Where all Matt, Cody, Landon, and myself. So I'd say it's pretty stable.
Sled is frozen. I think it's time to pretty much work our way out of here though. Having these heated gloves is kind of nice after sitting here digging this pit for a while.
They actually feel very similar.
Yeah?
Yeah. I think that track trenches a bit more.
Is that a
M770?
Is that a 3-inch or a?
That's a 3-inch, yeah.
Yeah. It almost looked a little bigger. You can definitely tell it's a 165. No. So I didn't wear my knee braces today because I thought I could just get away with wearing some basic knee pads this year. But I didn't get knee pads and I didn't wear my braces, and of course I hit my knee probably on my running board. And yeah, it's a little sore. We're all finally regrouped and we're headed out. Day 1 in the books, Sled held together, had a good time. This is only -2. No way. Got Landon's nice sled hauler here, old Dodge. I think he actually got an older truck than what he had before.
Yeah. It's a manual though.
Oh, is it? Nice. No, it's cool. I like it. Putting this high idle in. 2x4.
It's adjustable.
Okay, I'm starting to get pretty excited for the next couple days here now. It's gonna keep up like this.